In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero. If you're managing your business finances with Xero, having a personalized invoice can lend your transactions a professional touch and an additional layer of branding. So let's walk through the process together, step by step. To begin, navigate to the top left corner of your Xero dashboard where you'll find your business name prominently displayed. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, providing you with several options to explore. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. This is the gateway for you to customize various aspects of your Xero account. Once you're in the Settings section, look for an option labeled Invoice Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can manage and create invoice templates. Here, you have the opportunity to shape the face of your billing processes. To create a brand new invoice template from scratch, you'll want to click on the New Branding Theme button. This feature allows you to tailor every detail to your business's needs. You'll have the option to select which fields appear on your invoices, adjust the layout, and incorporate elements of your brand identity to make these documents truly yours. But let's say you already have a standard template and just want to tweak it a bit. There's an easy path available for that as well. Simply look at your existing templates, such as the default standard one, and navigate to the top right corner where you'll see an Options button. Click on it and then select Edit. This will allow you to modify and customize your existing template without starting entirely from scratch, saving you time while still achieving a tailored result. After you've made all your desired changes to either your new or existing template, don't forget to save your work. Doing so ensures that your customized template is ready for use the next time you need to send out an invoice. And there you have it. Armed with this knowledge, you can now enhance the presentation of your business transactions in Xero, offering clients a glimpse of your professionalism and attention to detail. If you have any lingering questions, feel free to revisit these settings and explore the options available to you. It's a simple yet effective way to add a personal flair to your invoicing process and ultimately to your business brand. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy invoicing with Xero.